up 90% over the last 3 days, just absolutely surging today.
No, absolutely. And there's a business reason, you might say, for why this rally got started. Rocket came out with fourth quarter results, earnings beating analyst average estimate of Bloomberg survey by 30%, revenue coming out ahead by 20%. And on top of that, Rocket declared a special dividend of $1.11 a share. So that kind of touched things off. On Friday, the stock was up about 10%. On Monday, up 11%. And then today, it's just kind of gone stratospheric, you might say. And there are a couple things going on. One is certainly the continuation of what we saw the past 2 days. And the other may well be people realizing that this is a company that investors have been betting against. Short interest has been on the rise this year. Along with interest rates, you figure a mortgage lender, would have difficulty kind of maintaining growth at a time, when interest rates are going up and therefore home loans are getting more expensive. So, in the middle of February, 38% of Rocket shares available for trading have been borrowed and sold or sold short. And we got numbers from S3 Partners, which provides more up-to-date information that puts the figure at 46%. So what happens? The Reddit traders get onto numbers like this, and they start pushing the shares higher to squeeze the shorts. Well, there's certainly an element of that going on.
Why were they shorting, though, Dave? My general understanding is the company was doing relatively well. We know the mortgage industry as a whole has been on fire. Is there something more here as to why people would be negative on the stock?
Well, it might well be, Romaine, just kind of figuring that the company would struggle to maintain the kind of growth that it's had. But, as far as what they had to say the other day with their quarterly results, it doesn't seem like that's the case. They're talking about, the dollar value of loans this quarter possibly doubling from a year ago. And that's loans that they close on. As far as investors locking in rates, you're talking about an increase that may be as high as 70%. Yeah. And they expect to gain more when they sell the loans to investors. So, it's just not playing out, so far at least, the way the short sellers might have anticipated. And now you have people trying to take advantage of the fact that so many shares have been sold short in anticipation of declines. You're getting the opposite now.